there's two markets, one with 8% job growth and one with just 2% job growth. Which one would you choose? What if I told you that actually the 8%, the market with the 8% job growth can actually be riskier than the market with 2% job growth? Let's take a look at why. Yeah, so this booming market might be adding 8% new jobs, but if 95% of those jobs are coming from one sector, right? Like tech, auto manufacturing, whatever it is, oil. Okay, this is the big one, something like that. If 95% of the jobs are coming from one sector, then your entire investment is tied to one roller coaster, right? One tiny glitch, one tiny sneeze in that sector, and you're going to feel it. Your vacancies are going to skyrocket, right? People are going to lose their jobs. They're going to move. People go where the jobs are. So I think it's really, really risky if a lot of the growth is coming from just one sector. And meanwhile, back in this 2% job growth market, right? Nothing spectacular, nothing to write home about. But here, the job growth is more diversified. Okay, we have like education, healthcare, logistics, whatever, a lot of different things that are providing these jobs, and not just one or two sectors dominating. I believe this is a much more solid, a much more stable investment, and you're not going to feel it if one of these sectors goes on a massive downturn, because there's so many other jobs to take up the slack. And trust me, job diversity is not just nice to have. It is an insurance policy that protects your investment. So as usual, before you invest, here's another question that you can ask, right? You can ask the sponsor or the GPs to, okay, can you walk me through, the job diversity and not just the job growth rate? So you really want to see diversity with job growth, right? And if the sponsor or the GP cannot do this, or this economy, only relies on one sector, well, again, do as you want, but I would not invest in that kind of deal. That is way too risky, and you're betting. Now you're not keeping your destiny in your hands, and you're betting on this sector, this company, this whoever to maintain their status in that town and not screw up your investment. Nah, not for me. Thank you. Haven't joined yet? Our free investing group gives you front row access to new deals and helpful investing education. Sign up today.